Hey class, today we are going to focus on the Revolve tool. Now, we have so far learned how to sketch shapes and turn those shapes into 3D objects, but what if you wanted to make something strange looking, kind of like a water bottle? Well, that would be a little bit more difficult because the water bottle, if it's got some curves to it, and it would be really difficult to try and extrude this oddly shaped tube in one shot, or something like this. So today I'm going to do my best to try and create a bottle using the Revolve tool, and you'll see how simple it is. So the first thing we need to do is open up Autodesk Inventor, and we are going to start with a 2D sketch, as you well know. Now, the Revolve tool will take a sketch, a 2D sketch, and it will rotate it and fill it with material. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. But for this to happen, what we are going to do is draw the profile of a water bottle. So if I were to take this water bottle and put it into paint, here's what I mean. In order to revolve this, we would want to draw half of it. So we would want to draw half of this bottle, and then we wouldn't even bother with this half. That's what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to make this left half of the bottle. Okay? So let's go in. I'm going to use my line here. Now, with this, I'm not going to be very specific with my dimensions, but I think 1.5 inches would be a pretty good estimate for how thick a water bottle would be at the halfway point. So my focus is to just get you using the tool. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now, what I'm going to do also, I'm going to just start with the center line. I'm going to estimate that a water bottle is 7 inches tall. So all I did, I drew my line. I have up you can see it's moving 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That I can just type in. I'm going to say that the top of the water bottle is about 1.5 inches, so let's go 0.75 inches. I have to make sure that it is, let's see, keep it at 90 degrees, so it's going left, 0.75. Okay, now here comes the fun part. I get to form the shape of my water bottle. So let's go. So for this today, we are just going to be drawing this freehand. Now, for the sake of it being our first lesson, actually no, let's use the arc. Okay, so let's go like this. The dotted line below my dot is saying that it's in line with the other one. So let's go like this, and I'm going to draw a slight arc so it looks like a bottle, kind of like the top rim of a bottle. And now I'm going to use my line tool and line these up. Now that it is a closed shape, it's got the color to it, right? All our dimensions look good to me, so now I'm just going to finish my sketch. Now that I have half a water bottle formed, I do not extrude. I am going to go to the tool right next to extrude, Revolve. Check it out. Oh! Also, Sade, you asked for a shout out. Here's your shout out. Sade! All right. So I click the Revolve tool, and it's going to open up one of these menus. Here's what you need to make sure you click. Axis. This is going to choose the edge that it revolves around. So let me show you right now. If I were to click the top, then the water bottle will spin, if you follow my mouse, like this. And let me show you one more time at a different angle. It'll spin whoop, around this top point. If I pick this edge, it'll spin. I'm revolving it, it'll spin like this. Woo! There you go. Now let me show you the top edge. Here, it has spun my image around the half cap that I made. Now this isn't exactly what I want, so I'm going to go back and fix this. So I click Axis, and now I'm going to switch it. This is the center edge that I originally intended. It looks like my cap is a little large, but I like this. I think it looks like a Gatorade bottle almost. Now, in addition to doing a full circle, you can also choose to do half an object. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to, let's see. I want you to, I'll have you adjust your bottle, and then we'll adjust it back, okay? You just need to show me that you have some form of rotation going on for your assignment. So, to make it only part of the circle, you would change the extents to an angle. Now, 360 degrees is a full circle. Well, let's look at 180. Look at that. 180 will only rotate it halfway around and fill up your shape. Just like extrude, you can change the way that it rotates. So my original shape is up in this blue area. If I wanted it to go the other way, I click this. If I wanted to go both ways, I go that. Similar. Alright, now that we know how to revolve our shape, I would like you to, let's see, so make your bottle a full bottle. You can make it full, or you can do a 360 degree angle. And before you upload, I would like you to use the fillet tool on the bottom edge. If you zoom in, you can see the radius that's formed. Okay, depending on how much of a radius you do, that's how much it'll be. If you want, you can do the chamfered edge somewhere. Just get that practice in. Let's see. I'll go like this. 0.25. Let's see. No, I don't like that. 0.2. That, you see this? That's telling me that I can't do that. So let's go 0.1. Looks like I can't do that. 0.05. That works. And so here I have my sports bottle. Take a picture, upload it, save it in your Google Drive so you can access it later, and I'm a happy teacher. Happy modeling, everyone.